Christmas Eve. It's normally will be my day off because Thursday is Christmas Day and that's my regular day off. But I'm gonna go in today and get some of that extra money because they're giving it. Might as well take it. Merry Christmas to me. Yeah. My last video, I didn't show you the nails. I reshaped them. I did it myself. See? It gets Christmassy. That's supposed to be like a candy cane little with snow. And that's supposed to be, the glitter supposed to be like some snow. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, hold on. Let's fix it. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm not a nail tech, but I want to do something with my nails. Cute. I know. Since it's Christmas Eve, I will not be late today, guys. I'm going to be early like I was yesterday. So I'm going to be very early. Oh, this stuff ain't coming up. Not very early, but somebody's supposed to be cooking today at the job. Somebody's supposed to retire, and we're having a Christmas party, so came at the right time. Came at the right time to get some money. But I'm over here watching a YouTube video while getting ready. I have to with therapy real quick my stomach, and then yeah, let's see about it. All right, I'm gonna lotion myself, and then hold on. Why y'all so far away? Don't be so far away. I need you close, close to me. I'm trying to connect to my phone because I don't feel like not even that far from me, but it's so cool to use my phone. So cool. And I just do something like that. And there we go. Got my face. Because I'm putting oil on. Can y'all see? Who's it from? Yes. I made a open box about her fantasy box. Shout out to her fantasy box. I must say, they did a big one with this oil. It's pineapple. And it's very nice and moisturizing. But yeah, like I said, today is Christmas Eve. I already bought the food for what we gonna cook tomorrow. My daughter wanna cook. What she wanna cook? Lord, I forgot. What, buffalo chicken dip. That's what she wants to cook. And then we got some cookies. I just need to buy some wine. And yeah, we're gonna have a great time. So that's gonna be today. All right, let me go therapy. I'm gonna go therapy my stomach. I don't know if I should show y'all because I like doing it without my pants on. I like doing it with my pants off. I said on, off. So yeah, we can still talk though while I'm doing it, but I don't know how much you're gonna get out of me because it's a lot. It's definitely a lot. Yeah, let me put the camera up on. Okay. I need to put y'all on my stand, so hold on one second. All right, so with therapy, I like to do it for my bloating and after I work out. So I did work out yesterday, and so this morning, first of all, I like doing it every morning because you must drink water first. Get the lympho. What is it? Lympho. Get the lympho something. Okay, we don't get history book on it, but just know it helps. Lemon water. Now, I use this tool. This one really breaks up the fat. And then you pair it with this tool, helps out a lot. Now, let's see. All right. Okay. You can. Now, what I use to upgrade it, I use this. All right, so I did my hair. First off, I did my own nails, and I didn't put enough builder gel on this one, so this one's about to break and bend. Well, it's about to bend as soon as I get to work. As soon as I get to work, it's gonna bend and break. That's all I like doing. But anyways, what they call a trial error. This is a trial error. But anyways, it's 8:02. I'm on a good path. I'm making some tea. I just gotta put the rest of my clothes on, and We are going to be early for work for once. Because I'm going to get that 11 days that basically I was coming in late. That's going to stop now. Feel me? What else? So yeah, let me get dressed. Somebody gotta get it. First of all, I got too many people. First this one, then Papa talking about he want a house. I'm like,
she your number one right there.
Exactly. He already got a house.
And he can get the leftovers, but she's your number one.
And he already got a house. He sure does.
Take care of your mama.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh, here comes.
Hi! Well, hello there. How are you?
Oh, sorry.
Oh!
Oh, sorry. I had a dream about y'all last night.
You must have had a dream about us.
I don't. What was it about?
What happened?
Y'all drove here.
Uh-huh.
And then the car broke down in my driveway, and we couldn't move it. And then me and Simone was putting on self-tanner. And then I put too much self-tanner on my face. I contoured the cheeks. And then I put on my face, and Simone was like, girl, that's how you do it. And I put it on my back. And I'm like, this is dark shade. I look at the shade, it's her shade. I said, girl, this ain't gonna look good on me. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's a little wild, Celine.
It is wild. I'm like, I gotta cost money. I forgot.
Lord, that sounds like something. Yep, that sounds about right. That's
Wait, we're in my dream.
huh?
Where you at?
At home.
Oh, it look different. Maybe I just didn't see it as much.
No, we were lit.
Yes, we were lit.
We were lit. Yep.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas
Merry
Eve.
Christmas
Thank you
Eve.
for our gift.
Oh, come on, it's you, right? Which one is gonna get which? We say y'all gonna probably switch around.
You know I want the black
No,
one.
she was over there doing all that stuff. I
I knew
didn't.
it. I said they gonna switch around.
That's exactly what happened. What you doing?
I'm about to go to Francisco Christmas party. They have Christmas on Christmas Eve.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go over there and have a little some culture, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What time I said Merry Christmas?
Okay, hold on. Oh.
Hey, friend.
We just sang with her. Where's your karaoke mic?
Oh, wait, do it again. Merry Christmas.
She heard the karaoke mic. Daddy, I overused it.
Oh no, Shawnee's hid it in her closet probably.
Oh, yeah.
It's Christmas, you now. Chill. Alexa, play. Oh, we can't even play Nicki Minaj no more. And I'm very, very sad.
Alexa, stop.
I'm so sad right now. What are we gonna do? Now I don't know if this thing is gonna get me right, but I used this and only this, and I need to pour a little more. Now I should have used some of this, and I am because I want to try it. Here we go now. Take it away.
Alexa, play Silent Night.
No, there's no.
By the Temptation.
Shanice, you play it tomorrow.
What? No, you don't.
No, you play
Silent Night.
Merry
That's Silent Night. Alexa, play Silent Night by the Temptation. She talking about
Get to
Night and similar songs.
Alexa.
On Amazon Music with Chrome.
Alexa,
Can you get to the one
play
with the
Silent Night on Apple Music by the Temptation.
Listen to Apple Music. Go to the Alexa mobile app and link your account.
Alexa.
Hold on, play Temptation Silent Night. Silent Night. What is Silent
Similar
Night?
songs on
Go
Amazon
sit
Music.
down. She probably understands your gibberish.
Yo, and it worked.
Terrible.
That's funny.
It's Silent Night. It's Silent Night.
I said
Silent Light. You did not say Silent Night. You can play it back.
I said
You can
silent.
play it back. It literally heard you.
Be free. All right. Oh, I thought I was gonna do Big Pop. I just forgot the. Oh, Alexa, play B2K. Why'd you leave me on Christmas?
Oh my god.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, everybody.